Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change group name on Instagram. First, open Instagram. On the upper right part of the screen, tap on the message icon. And then tap on the group chat that you would like to change name. So for example, this is the group chat. I want to change the name. And then you'll have an option in here to change name and photo. Tap on that. And then tap on change group name. And then you can just type in anything in here. So let's say just put test in here. And then once you're done typing the group name, tap on done on the upper right part of this pop-up. Go back. And as you can see in here, it is named as the group name that we have put a while ago. And that's how to change group name on Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.